Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing items and taking off detachable parts. This prevents residue migration. Once done, wipe loose dust with a dry microfiber. That prevents scratches during wet cleaning. Mix 1 drop mild dish soap with 250 ml distilled water for a gentle solution. You use isopropyl 70% only for stubborn fingerprint oils. Make sure to spot test in a hidden corner before moving across panels, because aluminum finishes vary, and testing avoids surprises. You now move panel by panel so contaminants don't spread. Apply the diluted soap with a damp microfiber, wiping with light, consistent pressure. Once grime lifts, dry immediately to avoid water spots. If you encounter persistent fingerprints or oxidation, apply a non-abrasive aluminum polish sparingly. Keep strokes circular, then switch to long passes following the grain when present. This evens the sheen. Make sure to change cloths when dirty, because trapped grit causes scratches. You finish by wiping the entire shell with a dry microfiber to remove any polish haze, then reattach wheels and seals, lubricating moving parts lightly with silicone grease. Once complete, inspect under good light for missed spots or fine scratches. Minor abrasions may be reduced with a proper aluminum scratch kit, but deep gouges need professional repair. If discoloration or finish change remains after careful recleaning and testing, stop and contact Rimowa support so you avoid voiding any warranty.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.